AWS customers are innovating with digital twins, but no two customers are the same. And what customers have told us is they're looking for flexible pathways to bring together data from IoT, from spatial, from simulations, and bring that to drive innovation. So AWS has created the Digital Twin Framework, which is a set of tools and guidance that brings together the best of AWS capabilities in Internet of Things, in spatial data, in high-performance simulation, and bringing that into a unified framework to allow our customers to move flexibly across those technologies to build their business outcomes. And a great example of this is with Cadent Gas, who's worked with our partner Bosch, who've provided a digital twin approach to asset performance management. And so Cadent's been able to use all of these technologies together with Bosch's deep industry expertise to drive great outcomes in predictive analytics and maintenance for their business. So we're really looking forward to seeing what our customers are going to do with this integrated digital twin framework approach.
Bosch and AWS are collaborating to build the digital twins for energy and industrial infrastructure. At Bosch Digital Twin Industries, we use the AWS Digital Twin Framework to simplify the build of digital twins, like harvesting the ML capabilities, simulation capabilities, generative AI, and LLMs to drive the business outcome for the customer on the current consumer layers becomes very simple, and the customer starts seeing the success faster.
At AWS, we have a range of services that our customers and partners can use in order to build a digital twin solutions, and they're all integrated through the digital twin framework. So for example, we have AWS IoT Twin Maker, which allows our customers to bring their spatial data along with their industrial asset data and combine them into a single visualization contextualization. We can also bring together our AI/ML services such as SageMaker, which allows us to bring in advanced analytics. And lastly, we can also integrate open source solutions such as TwinFlow, which allows our customers to orchestrate simulation models at scale on AWS for their prediction and what-if scenario analysis use cases.
To find out more, check out the links on our Digital Twin Framework blog.